Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to switch between layouts of a transaction as per your preference using Change Mode. It changes the current form of transaction to a different one to help in recording information differently. In TallyPrime, you can find all the modes applicable to a particular voucher under Change Mode. You also get the flexibility to switch modes at any point in time. For instance, you may want to capture the items first and then ledger information in a sales transaction. Under Change Mode, select Item Invoice. You can see the fields to record item details. As an accountant, you may be interested in capturing ledger values instead of item details while recording a purchase entry. You can change to Voucher mode. You can also switch between single entry and double entry modes for receipt and payment transactions to simplify recording. Different modes of recording transactions do not only help to ease data entry, but also help in auto calculation of tax, discount, and others as applicable. For more information, visit us at help.tallysolutions.com.